scary to do this in a residential area because this car can move insanely fast. Like the boost on this car comes on instantaneously. Like I can even put it, like right now it's in 4th gear. I can like pop the boost up in a second. Look. I don't know if that whine's normal coming from the diff. You can hear it when I let off. See, look. I don't know what's going on there. Remember, I got a welded diff, so if I turn too hard, it'll chirp. Yeah, just like you barely hit the throttle. It's just like a little blip, and this thing feels like a V8. Like the torque is crazy. But yeah, I have no insurance and the car's not registered yet, so I don't want to attract too much attention. This thing's like kind of loud. So, yeah, this car is going to be insane. Like, this is a residential neighborhood, so I can't really give it the go on the, get heavy on the pedal here, so. Oh, it's doing decent for having a welded diff. Definitely going to swap it out, though.